To 3D print today, you need to download a zip file that needs to be extracted for an STL, that needs to be imported into a slicer software where you convert it to G-code, that you save to an SD card, that gets put in your 3D printer where you start and monitor prints on location. To make 3D printing easier and scalable, we had to identify what steps we could get rid of, so we got rid of all of them. This is the Wingman. It connects to your 3D printer, making it visible from the 3D Teleprint Locations tab. The Wingman lets you give your 3D printer a machine name, declare your printer's make, model, address, delivery, and pickup options. Others can click See More to see your job queue, extruder size, and cost per hour for print bed time. Our machine-ready designs allows customers to select the part, select a Wingman, choose from that Wingman's declared material and color options, and process the payment. Oh, did I mention sending a design you own to a Wingman you own is free? You're welcome.